Yeah, this morning, this is an inspiration story about the farm and the picture I see about farming. So I slept at the farm. I woke up this early morning. I decided to take my black tea right from the vegetation. What I always do, there is some trees here that they always say we should take some stuff out of them. So I'm from taking the leaves now. I slept at the farm. I just woke up by 8, not very early, because if you set up your system, I told you a long time ago that you are a supervisor. The farm owner is not the operator, but the farm owner is a supervisor. So when I come here, like yesterday, Saturday, I was very busy with checking out of the farms. I even went and visited my friend's farm. Yeah, because many people are brought in my area. Visionary, my plan was to make Kayunga an agricultural hub. What does it mean? Basically for goats. I wanted to zone up Uganda. Like where I stay, it should be my strongest zone of agriculture, of goat farming. Let me be very specific, because I brought in a lot of people. I think around 20 people now, from not within, but from outside the country, America, Qatar, Kenya. So I decided to help my people around me. And my entire vision was, if we are many, we are creating a zone which is having the same product, like the way you see how we all go into goat farming. So I had planned, but I got in one challenge, and that challenge was my farmers who starts to do goat farming in my area, they are not as rich as those people who are doing sugarcane. So we used to look for the land to buy or hire. You get the land here, then by the time you go back, do the search, do the Lego stuff, the guy for the sugarcane should have paid all the money straight away off. So that really affected me a lot, but still I have a lot of guys that have come here with me, and they are around me, not far away from my farm. And we are trying also to do the zoning, and know that in Kayunga, if you want goats, that's where you go to. So that was my intentions, and my clients or my friends who follow me, they also came up. Actually, when they came around, some of them got land over 200 acres, 100 acres. But still my dream will come true. Then back to the point of today, I want you to listen to that music of the weaver birds. That is the music that we listen to in the morning when you come to the farm. So why am I showing you this video? Is the only way we can change agriculture to be commercial, agriculture to be appetizing, agriculture to be lovely, is to break where they locked our fathers, our grands, and so on. Where they locked them in one way, and that was agriculture is a dirty job, and then 2, agriculture is a job for the failed. You get. And then what happened? Sorry, we concentrated more on studies and office work, and we neglected agriculture. Not me who neglected it, but it was my grands and your grands as well. They really did that work of neglection. And also teachers helped the entire world to continue preaching that agriculture is not beneficial. You get? So whereby it is now very hard for a young man to be inspired and say, I'm going to be a farmer. because of whatever that happened when I was not even in existence. What we found on ground was agriculture is done by the less privileged people. So now, the reason of you showing you this, these are some of the things that are going to inspire our young generation to come and join us in agriculture. How? Because even the whites who came to inspire us to go into their education system, who also came to inspire us about the good life, they also came in good life. So for us, if we do not settle to change, let's say, our young children to be admiring where we stay in the bush, you will not find results. So that's why I'm saying, see this kind of setup. It's not very expensive. It's all about playing with nature. And when you play with nature, you beautify it, you put modernization, so that when even your friends who come to visit you, even the kids that comes to really visit to see where dad is working from, they get inspired, and none of them would want to get out of this area. Why? Because of the nature, just because of the way you live, just because of the way you behave, all that. That's why this morning I said I should share with those people who understand what a nature is. Nature is beautiful, and nature is a therapy. I think you can see none of you wouldn't wish at least to be in this kind of environment. I don't think. Mostly, let's turn our farms into lovely sections. Put flowers, put trees, the nature will always come. So those birds that you hear, it's not me who brought them, but because I created environment. And also you find that even bees will be attracted just because of the flowers, just because of the beauty that is around. So, my dear farmers or young people or investors or young people, please, doing farming is not a crime, and also doing farming is not for the failed, but doing farming, it is for those people that have vision, those people that want to last longer. Let me say, if I spend all my time in this kind of environment, I don't think whether my life will not prolong, because this even detoxify the brain. You sit here, look at the natural environment. Even you yourself, you can look at this and really appreciate that what is happening is really strong and beautiful in this kind of environment. For sure, I call upon all of you farmers or farms that are already existing. Try to beautify. Try to beautify the environment. Try to do whatever you can to make sure that these people really love farming. Guys, I call upon all of you. It is all agriculture that is going to help us. It's all agriculture that is going to revamp our living, revamp our finance, revamp our lives, revamp our businesses, because it is the only business that you produce money rather than making the money. So let's get back to the ground and start producing the money. Then at the end of the day, we shall make more money using what we produce. So basically, I just wanted to share with you this morning environment. Look what the nature does. The guys are just there picking. We are saving a lot. Some of us who are staying in the bush, God will really support us. God will help us. God will love us. You know why? We are supporting a lot of people. See how I supported this guy to build his house here. If it wasn't me to reserve the nature, this guy would not have where to stay. And at the end of the day, he would be crying. But right now, because I reserved him where he can suitably be, that's why he will be praying for me all the time. This inspiration, let it don't stop with me, and shouldn't even stop with you, but also take it on. Try your best to make sure that you create the environment that is suitable for all of us. You just can't believe. I just can't imagine how this is going to be when every tree of mine grows up. And then you are in a system of beauty, quietness, your heart is being treated, your brain is being detoxified. Then at the end of the day, you're seeing your business with you. You only need, guys, you only need a weekend. You don't need to be at the farm all the time. Business is not for you. It is for those people that you invest in, and they work also looking for capital. At the end of the day, they will also, make their own different farms. So basically, that's what I really wanted to show you this morning. Please love what I'm showing you. Make sure that the business runs. Make sure that you inspire your kids. There is no way how the kids will come back home when they are not happy with what is existing on your farm. So if you want to succeed in farms, I want to end up with this and say, if you want to succeed in farms, make farm conducive. Make a farm very conducive for you, for the people who follow you, even for your kids. Because we are making this business. But, I no longer grow. I'm already in my future. I can't say that I'm looking for my future or I'm waiting for a future. I don't understand what the future means. But as for me, Hamis, I think the future is now. So I need now to inspire more people that will take over from me. You get it? So whatever you do at the farm, go back, put it on the smart screens at home. I'm talking about those people that already have families that are not interested, that have families who their minds is far away from what you're doing. So make sure wherever you come back, take some videos for them, put it on that big screen you have in your home. Let people see. The kids will get inspired. But if you don't do what I'm telling you the truth, the country, Africa, is going to continue being like that. Leave what our parents have done. We shall sell them, then go into new things that we need to explore. And whenever you're exploring, you expect a lot of losses. But if you build on what is already existing, you can definitely just blow the candle. Just move. You just be at a high speed. You get. But if you're starting, just take an example. If Hamis, this was my father's farm, and I found this kind of arrangement, and I was just topping up, you don't know where I would be. But because I had to invest in a lot of money, you get to make sure that I put the concrete, I start to at least develop we call it the ground, or when you're building a house, you start with a ditch. Then from the ditch, you have to put the first ground. Then you can start to build the house. Just imagine all the money and the time that you spend digging the ditch, putting the first ground, or putting the concrete, and then finally you start building. So basically, let's inspire these people. I'm telling you the truth. Depending on my research, you can as well do your own research. Agriculture can accommodate almost all of us because we are our own customers. Me, you've seen me taking my tea. I already had my breakfast. And lunch, of course, I have to do lunch. And I have to do supper. Where do I put all that money? I'm supporting myself. I'm supporting you, the farmer. And other people are supporting us this very early in the morning. So please, let's take this to be our future plan for agriculture. And the only take off or take home that you need to have from me is first set up the beauty of the farm. But I always advise, start with the business, start with the animals, more so goat farming. Then at the end of the day, you use that money to beautify the place. That's when your kids, your wife, your relatives, and everybody will start getting interested. There is no one who is going to get interested in your business when you're also crying. And two, if you're starving, and you're expecting the young generation to come and starve with you, that will not work. But start it, make it happy, show them how simple it is, then they'll also have the future with them. We are preparing for our kids to get off from school, and me, I'm setting up everything. From school, my kids will be on another school called farm, but it will be full of fun, enjoyment, checking on their animals, learning a lot. You know, they already called me and they really love to come here. So basically, that is the piece of advice I really wanted to give you this morning. I love you so much. Share the video so that it reaches more people that will be also helped, like how I'm helping you, and make sure that farmers help other people, because this business, it is more sweeter if you're many and doing the same business. So that's why you see me, I'm bringing more people in Kayunga district, such that we are many. In case there is even anything that we need to do as a group, it will be our concern, not my concern. It will be our concern, because we are in the same locality, having the same dreams, going through the same challenges, and the solution will be very easy. I can't prolong this because this was just inspirational, and I just wish you the best. I'm going in, I'm waiting for my visitors. It's a Sunday, and I'm going to check out my animals, also look at them, discuss with my manager, show me his challenges, then we find solutions. Let me wish you well, guys. Bye for now.